Wala po to Philippines, di man nila katiran.
Kasi last nil katiran eh.
Ha?
Kasi last nil katiran eh.
Dugay na kayo.
Ulo.
Sige, magsapatos good. Hindi na ako makita ba. Si Francis noon, matiman man kay matiman na ako pero kaniding isa kay
That's an continuous snow minibus. That's a car. That's a big car.
The Taguano district Rufus refused. And if in fact
Can you go away from here? Francis, can you come on the footpath?
Your camera? Camera?
Wow. Thank you.
Where's the hospital? Don't film it.
Did they see you? Did they see you?
Can you open for a while? I need my passport number. Just a second. Wala lichante, ma'am. Wala. Ha?
Oh, little Misha. Lady in white. Koda.
Frank, the camera back.
Yeah, it's fine. It is fine.
No, you hit her. She's so small.
Oh, sorry. I thought there's enough space. Don't be talking to me like this. Do we have to get out?
Yeah, 8-4.
Thank you. No. No, it's just a pen that I have in my hand.
0
Asin yun. 801.
5.
Asin kisang ko yung mama?
Unya ra height lang.
805.
Dirita here. We go here 805. Kami na lang 80 ko ande.
801.
Para di ko makagawas. We go here. Dili 801 dito. Ay 801 dito dapat dito niya lang. Kaya para mabantayan ba ang mga bata ang gawas. Francis. Okay, turn forward. So. Ooh, smells good also. You should see the rooms there. Do we need to talk? You can switch
How do we going to switch on the light?
Yeah.
This looks nice.
Yeah, it looks nice, Uda. I think this one. Is that the one?
No, there.
You need
You didn't put it in?
No, I did, but you need to. Wait lang. You can go to them there for the time being. Let them show Mama Rose. Listo? How do you do it?
Now look at this.
Mama, cool.
Where you?
Why is it so warm by you?
What?
Why is this cool? Mama, we going to go nighttime.
Yeah, you're gonna go.
Because the sunset, the pool.
Yeah.
The sunset is funny, eh? It's already gone, the sun.
Come here.
It's already dark. So you got your card here, yeah?
Yeah. Sige.
Giant
My God, who's going to sit here? Francine's going to get lost in there. Nice.
Nag-book me og tulog ka room, superior twin room para i-treat akong family day sa Cagayan de Oro. So you can show. I have the key. So look at that. Nadre, sige sa Nadre. Mama anak mo.
That's what you have to use.
Mom and
Welcome
My
to
lady.
my humble bowl.
What's her bobo?
Humble home.
Red.
Penthouse.
Single siya tanan.
What's that? Mama sleeping already in bed?
My suitcase is not there.
You're cold. Yeah, and switch off the aircon.
Wala, no. Sayang aircon.
Put it on 16 and you don't. No, on 20.
Suitcase, one scene.
Ang kanang naipakimaya di ka malagi ko.
Gone.
Here.
Did we watch this already?
Here. That's my mom. By the way.
They've seen it already. For spoiler.
What did you say about the room in
we have seen
Luxe
that.
Hotel? Limkit kay Luxe Hotel.
I like it.
Yun, nalpling mo da. Ano?
Where's Misha?
Kita niyong view?
Makita o, di kita. 5 minutes na. So, Manila ha? So, come, we go to Grace. Nasa Grace at Apple.
Nadi gihapon.
Sa'yo sa guli dito sa uma. Kamu lang mo.
Excuse me, cameraman first.
Kamu lang doon ti Juicy. Hindi sila lang ti Juicy mga okay. Duha lang magka-breakfast sa libo. Ganit.
Ya, unsa may kaon nilang guys, bula trabaho dito.
Ha?
Kapila, tanong nilos dumas.
Ano lang sa inyo? Kami mga ano, may pamiglami. Kamong duha lang ti Juicy.
No.
Okay
Grabe
ra.
ka balo mga uglami.
Ay, mag-practice din mo. Nisok-sok din sa baga.
Suway nas mama sa ida oy.
Kapasuway nung day ka?
Ida.
Oo, nakapun siya ang consulate check ha.
What?
Babo's graduation will be
In the other side.
in front of
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
the university,
Live.
the venue.
So we're going to
Pero
go.
magtapos sa taas sa center.
Another day without helicopters. You want to tell me? That's not possible. That is not possible.
Change na. Change
Ah!
Here.
Ah!
Change na. Yan. Maligo po na. Maligo po
Di
ka.
ka maligo nga?
Nakasenso siya. Gihubak na.
Giubak na? Nahinayin eh, mga ko rin.
Oh, magaling. Mo nang dili-gali ko dili.
Incognito ba na? Wala.
Narama.
Here's your swim clothes, Francis.
Sukat sa huibis. Wala ko tanaw.
Oh, DJ. Sit home.
Sila mo kuli.
I'm free.
Pwede na to. Sa garado.
No.
Wait, ang free naman na iba ta.
You silly, eh?
Hello.
Where are we going? Where are we going?
Swimming pool.
We're going to swim. Are you excited?
Kasi wala si Princess Towel. Princess.
Go inside.
In the middle though. Saan na flirta?
Third.
Ulbar dali na.
Look at me. Don't jump.
Huy. Go outside. Go outside. Here. I think here. Ay, saan po yung pool? Go straight. Francis!
Come on here. Ay, cool eine. Ay, mag-share mo.
Okay lang.
Ay, gano'n. Si Tawil.
Yes, lang.
Sure na third floor.
Gali. Murag for. Murag 10.
Here. Leave your towel here. There, oh. There. In the no, in the other table.
There the eye.
Here. Ay. Here na lang. Tali. Oh, sige po. Go, Francis.
Okay, perfect.
That's not even finished. Dili sa kayo makapos sila. Sino sa kanya? Nako extra, oh.
See, I don't know how the pool look like. Apparently we have a pool here, so we're going to the pool. And look for the pool.
In
Third
the,
floor.
what floor are we?
Third floor, we're in 8th floor.
And you have to go down then when you push top.
We're going to be in the 3rd floor. So from here, we're going in floor. Nasa third floor daw ang I will do a
Now we have probably somebody.
yeah. I have a spa here. I have a spa. Wellness and recreation.
It's so cold here, eh?
I hope they had the towel with them.
For sure not.
But the spa is already probably closed.
I smell barbecue the whole time. Is that, am I right?
Because I think there is a lot you need to wear it.
They have a dress code?
They have a dress code.
Hello.
It's not that, not allowed.
What is not allowed?
Is it here? Oh, fine.
Which way do we have to go? Ah, I see my kids.
Oh, it's warm.
Of course it's warm, eh? Wow.
Only nasa third floor lang swimming pool. Yeah. Nasa third floor lang swimming pool. Show that. Let's look at that. Show that how it
What? There's nothing here. What do you want to see?
Yeah, but still.
Excuse me.
Yeah, excuse me.
Hello. Oh, nice.
They have sleeper. Ano nila makakapag-free na ay sa mani creamer for coffee. Sa mani sugar. Naipakuha nila para sa coffee and tea. Sa mani mo may rubbish. Nasa sila plancha, na flashlight, na extra pillow. And then diri na sila pressing bag na diri.
A portable safe.
Yeah.
That's what they warn everybody.
No, that is
No, it's
good.
not. That's good. It's tightened.
Sewing kit. Nasa pa sewing kit. And there is a bathroom. Nabasa-basa namin diri ha. Oh, they have candidate for bringing at home. Sila yung shower cup, vanity kit, na even shaving kit, so you don't need to bring shaving kit. Hand soap, dental kit. They have a dental kit. Ano sa man eh? Hand and body lotion. Where is the shower gel then? They don't have shower gel?
The shower gel should be in the bathroom itself. A touch, no?
Ah, yes. Shower gel is here. Tapos ay shower gel di ay. Bath
I
gel.
like that, the way they have it there inside the wall. I like that.
Shampoo and conditioner. Then hand soap. Muna ang ilang pa kuan sa mo while you are staying here. Nasa hair blower, so you don't need to bring hair blower. Kagaya namo na human og ligo, dapat i-dry ang imong buhok. Pero dire you don't need to dry your hair actually because it's too hot in Philippines. But if it's in Germany, it's very useful na icon. Then as like flat iron. So that's it. What is in here? Alright. You showed all the room earlier, right?
Yeah, I did.
You have finally arrived. So we are now going away to buy food. Is that dirty? Why is that dirty?
I don't know. This is from the floor, probably.
The floor?
This is supposed to be in the bathroom floor.
Yeah?
I don't know why that was.
Why did you have that there?
I don't know why it's there. I didn't use it.
Nobody went here. So okay, come.
Maybe the kids.
The kids? Papalit mo yung pagkaon. Panihapon. I'm so tired already, not enough sleep, but laban sa life.
Or Chinese. Thank you. Yeah, come on, we go 7-Eleven.
Let them be hungry.
Yeah.
You have to watch out for the camera. It says in the order family size. Musa man yung family size diri na mura man yung isa ka tao sa German. Are you okay? Are you okay?
That's all yours.
Tara sila, oo. Tanawa, oo. Di ba? Okay kayo, nangaon, oo. Oh, kaon dyan mi siya. Fancy eat ha, like mi siya there. Napugos na nagkaon ba?
Sige ba nag-lift from
Napugos na nagkaon rice. Napugos kayo na. Kaon na ko ron.
I was eating lasagna.
Ipak.
Be quiet! Dali, dali. Hello, what should we clap? Clap?
Here. We're here. We are here. 3 of us, we're here. Don't throw any pillows. Not here, not here, not here, not here.
Uy, grab to!
Agoy! Bilis na, bilis na.
Okay.
Francine is kaya. Kamera. Video. Misha was not yet.
Yeah, was not yet.
Medyo.
Buhok ni mo na. Careful, Francine, ha? You might hit the corner, okay? Huh? Careful. If you get awa, we will stop. Okay? Oh.
Francine, say
Yeah. Yeah. Okay lang.
Sleep. Start!
clap.
Wait!
Wait. Don't open it.
Anyway.
Clap.
No!
What else?
Mama's here. Wait, you have to sleep.
Why?
You will sleep here?
You walk slowly.
Breakfast. Ground floor na dito sa baubos.
Didn't wash face, huh? Good morning.
Good morning.
Somehow I like the smell here. Watch out. There's more to that. Yeah, just a second.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Babo. Happy birthday, dear Babo. Happy birthday, Kuya Babo. Come, come. Amin mang birthday. Oh. Sige na, pakana na. Kana. Oh.